We want the Welsh language to be part of people's everyday life, at home, at work, with family and friends. The 2011 census showed that there were 562,000 Welsh speakers in Wales. We want to see this increase to 1 million Welsh speakers by 2050. We want there to be more opportunities for children, young people and adults to get easy access to Welsh language technology, in schools, in the workplace and at home. How do we get there and what needs to change? We've developed a Welsh Language Technology Action Plan to work towards a future where it'll be easy to use Welsh in digital contexts. We want the Welsh language to be offered to you without you having to ask or look for it. We want Welsh to be available in every situation, from working at your computer to using your phone and tablet. We want you to be able to talk to your device in Welsh and for the device to respond in Welsh. We want the resources that we create to be available freely and shared and reused by everyone. For this to happen, we must make sure we have the right digital infrastructure to support the Welsh language. We all have a part to play to bring this vision to life.